Yeah, man, only one Smarty alone more than I want for me. But him not there, Jamaica, Alkaline.
A few moments later.
And the reason why I rate Alkaline, and I know the Gaza people are going to say one bag of thing. Jesus, this like, no man.
Masicka create dancehall history, you know, are the first artist, male dancehall artist to ever debut in the top 5 with him 3 album them.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Your fans so big, you so have the biggest fan base in a dancehall. Cause you slowly get in there, Masicka. Man, them album flap. I hear album I will up dancehall.
Let me move your pussy wall and come down.
It's a love Alkaline lock down Trinidad, you see. Yeah, man. Hey, Alkaline, they can't hold it, I get it up.
2,000 years later.
Tell you no. If ship a sink, I will not have a life jacket. We don't take the lifeboat that come. We don't see the rescue boat that come. We don't take it. If a Vendetta rescue boat come, we don't take it.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Now tell some boy if we go do with Alkaline though. You see what Alkaline do at Trinidad? On a bomber clot, you know. Yeah man, the crux they want Masicka for debut #1, but it not work out.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Alkaline dominate Trinidad Saturday night.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Me say, you want Masicka for take Skillibeng serious while Alkaline did a clone the fuck out of Skillibeng?
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
No one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah man, big up yourself. Yo, people, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, though. Yeah man, big up on yourself, respect for the support, you see it. But you don't know Mello vibes, you know. Big up yourself, Mello vibes, you see it. Yeah, do it, youth. Do your content, them are every little thing, you see me, but I know say he's a youth, him rate Alkaline. Him rate a youth Alkaline and you get the Gaza people, them not them feelings, but I the youth dream for meet Alkaline and show him that respect there, you see me? Yeah, the fight him usually get and all of them thing there. You know, remember the fight with Alkaline, but we're gonna make an ear, what you must say, you understand?
And I'm aiming for that.
Are you a fan of anybody here that you would love to meet?
Yeah, man, only one Smarty alone more than I want for me. But him not there, Jamaica, Alkaline. Alkaline lyrics grab me. And Alkaline is just like me. So it shows shades just like me.
At the end.
Yeah, man, so I'm gonna respond to what him say. You see me?
The reason why I rate Alkaline, and I know the Gaza people are going to say one bag of thing. I'm in a business where I don't want to say. Once you say Vendetta, anything at all where you plan for do, just prepare for fight. And it
yeah, man, a real thing, man. Prepare for fight, man. Vendetta thing and a baby thing and a pitney thing. Why you think Alkaline just know say yo him just not pay them no mind? You understand? Once you say Vendetta, just know say if you want artist and you just a forward in the business and you say you rate Alkaline and a Vendetta, you say just know say it not gonna be easy road for you. You understand?
hard. Which if you say Gaza and you do anything, it'll go easy because you have a lot of supporters who will support you because you say Gaza. Some people now go support you because you say Vendetta. You see me?
And that a fact. I always tell people say it's easy if you say you're Gaza. It's so easy because the man give that support there. You understand? If you want to get that acknowledge there and you see me, support then it's easy if you say Gaza. Like all if you don't rate the Gaza, but you want to get that little strength there, just say Gaza. But you know, some people, a lot of people do it, but they not genuinely rate the Gaza like that. Some of them just want the clout and everything and them just say, yo, Gaza. Enough of the artists them. You understand? Enough of them, but I saw them get trapped in the sauce. Because once you do that, seeing, you just come like nobody. I just look like one of them man, they were just, oh, you just cartel. You know, them not gonna really take you even serious. Y'all get shadow ball and all of them. Once you say Vendetta, you're going to everybody eyesight, everybody I go this yo, Ray. So all if people when I know you, them are gonna know you because them say, oh people are hate panda youth ya so. But when you over the Gaza now, the amount of people over there is like, you just come like one of them man they will sit down on the bench when nobody even care about. You see me? Unless you do something and them say, alright, Ray, them try to claim you. But Vendetta, trust me, you will get that exposure there. The hate go forward, the fight, every little thing. You see me? Yeah man, but you go learn from it. and you go reach a one place where, yo, I saw it go, but you put in the work, yeah man, you just not pay the haters no mind. You see it? Yeah man.
You just understand it. If you see a Vendetta man make it, that means that that's a real blood clot soldier. Take it from me. Only per fight me get. Only per things me no want talk. As if me talk something, them I go shame. And the full interview, they over pan.
Masicka create dancehall history, you know, are the first artist, male dancehall artist for ever debut in the top 5 with him 3 album them for the past decade. So for the past decade, you easily can say him have the best album them, 3 album them. 438, Generation of King, and Forever Rain. All them say the youth not talented. All them say the youth now sing good music.
Bro, like, first of all, Masicka now have a number 1, bro. You see me? And the thing is that, bro, Masicka put out some good album. What even make it good as well is a collaboration them. He's a good choice of artist. Him have gang pan him album. A lot of good artists on him album, bro. It a get pushed by a label with the 2 other one them. You understand? Yeah, it's a good album same way. But sometimes we just exaggerate, bro. You see me? We just exaggerate where, yeah, history this, history that. But tell me now, we not always say the album them good. Good album, Ray, but are they getting no major songs out of it, like no big hit? Like, what the hits out of the album? Like, where we can say, yo, that song, yeah. And that more know people. Like, the major hit. Masicka hit, where we can say, yo, Ray, Whites. You understand? Whites. So, more know where the hits them. We can say, alright, Alkaline have and New Level and Lock. We have City. We have Company. A lot of big songs on the album where, yo, till this day. But what's the major songs where we can say, yo, this? Alkaline have Girl Good Pan, NPT. But what's the major songs of this project? You understand? Sometimes when they just make some talk, bro, would even make no sense. But I feel no opinion still. You see me? Everybody have their opinion or whatever they want to say. You see me? Good album, good project. Masicka album, them are going to always be a good project because he might get the strength on it. He might get the collaboration them. He might get good artists, reggae artists. It is expected. The label a pump it, every little thing. It's expected. I don't know nothing. We're surprising. We're even surprised they now go number 4 and them little thing there. You understand? But for actually say, yo, the album, yeah, it have to start get some major hits. That are the problem. You see me? Yeah, man. But I found the thing still. But let's see what the major hits are going to fall off, you know.
You tell them already. Say the youth do great music. Congratulations. But not comment and tell them congrats, man. Tell them say you then can't hold you. And your fans soon be, you soon have the biggest fan base in a dancer. Cause you slowly get in there, Masicka.
You see, sometimes when I say something, man say you soon be the biggest fan base in dancehall. Something wrong with it, you know? Something really wrong with the Necko for you.
You have the biggest fan base in a dancehall. It have grown tremendously. Trust me, and people appreciate the good music. Yeah, man. Them album flap. Your album I will up dancehall. Forever Rain. 438. GOK. Do you think? Go on a road, youth.
So funny that you say it a whole up dancehall. I hope we perform most of the songs them pan it, especially the new ones. Not the slip and slide and the bossy and all of them one day. Once him perform some of them and get that forward there. You understand? Yeah. Can't say that with the last album them. When they just say, oh, great album, but no for wouldn't know the songs them pan it, the last album. When you just listen to it and when the hype done, that's it. You see me?
Love Alkaline like Trinidad, you say. Yeah, man. Hey, Alkaline, they can't hold it, I get it up. Yeah, man, you gotta left them, man. Well, I like, yeah, you two get too much fight in the music. I reach right there. But top of the mountain, looking down. I tell you, man, it's a great thing. Yeah, man. You they have a warrior spirit, man. A serious warrior spirit. Determined. You know determination. Yeah, man. I look at that, man. Yes, Alkaline, but love how you lock down Trinidad.
Yeah, man. I say it going on. Superstar level, you see it? Yeah, man. The boss just do work and cut.
Yo, Alkaline, you have one song there, no? Me don't know, but everywhere you go, every country you go and sing a song there, the song get louder. The woman them sing the song louder. Like, it's a challenge. And like every country will improve. Say, yeah, we can sing it louder than that country there where they sing it before. Yes, as obviously the woman them work with the song. And la 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 la, the one who say la 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 la. La 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 la, boy, I tell you, The woman them boy look like say they obsessed with that song, they know Alkaline. Yeah man, them obsessed with that song, but let me tell you something now. Me see Alkaline have the woman them. Yes, in the palm of him hands them. Yes, and so good. I saw you going to dance hall.
Yeah man, the girls them love Alka man. You see it. Him always build the music for the girls them. You see it. Him not left them out man. You see it. Yeah man.
You remember Beanie Man? What you think Beanie Man did I use on a whole dance hall? The woman them, you know. The woman them they dip on Beanie Man side, you know. And Alka. You see I do that right now. Yes. Because you am now. In a dance hall, when you're a DJ or a singer, and you are the song where the woman in love, you can't wrong. You can't flap, you can't wrong once the woman then did it with you.
And that's why some artists build up them catalog when it comes to female songs and that them for work on right now.
Wrong, and you can't flap on that. That me see all the card though. And another thing, yo, it's a little bit me and woman and them boss music. Little children and women and them boss music. Yeah man, Alkaline, the performance there in Trinidad. I tell them man, oh, energetic. Love boy, you deal with the show them in Alkaline. Love boy, you deal with them youth. Yeah man. Keep it up youth. Yeah man. Beat them Alka. Beat them. Beat them. What you mean? Right so. Me, Shaquille Murray said that.
Yo, me tell you, you know. Me tell you so me can't put on my warring gloves then. Me there me here one me over one place where say they name Lady Gaza. Lady Gaza Nation. And the youth name Shimar Macanan or something like that. We are original Gaza. The Gaza never want anyone to do that. One of feel from one of sell out, one of Masicka fan from one of Alkaline fan. All the Gaza they start turning against themselves.
Boy, may I tell you, yo, streets nice, you know, dance all nice, may I tell you. Come like a be a drama, be a drama. When you say Gaza fight Gaza now, no. Come like them might eat them own flesh.
Me need to say the Gaza ship I go sick. Right now me can't go easy. Me say right now me can't go easy. Because of them are why themselves. They not nobody else say why, they can't why, they can't buy nobody else. Them are why themselves. Let me tell you no. If ship a sink, I will not have a life jacket. We don't take the lifeboat they come. We don't see the rescue boat they come, we don't take it. If a Vendetta rescue boat come, we don't take it. If a genocide rescue boat come, we don't take it. But I want to make you tell you that there is no guarantee that we're not going to drown in the sea. Because they don't get themselves.
Yo, the boy J Progress and man not easy in the dark. But brother, which ship? Vendetta no wanna Gaza upon them ship dog. We not busy years them a fight, no business about them. You understand? Them a do them thing over there, so.
I tell some boy if you go do with Alkaline do. You see what Alkaline do at Trinidad? You know, bomber clot, you know. You see the man entrance, eh? You see the man that come on the stage, you see how the place I go on. Tell me which DJ in at this time, which artist in a dance hall that do this? You know about who bigger than Alkaline and who bigger than Alkaline are the biggest bomber clot artist in a Jamaica. I'm telling you that. 2026, Alkaline gone with that already. The biggest song, the biggest album, or the bomber clot. Don't you say man at the Trinidad?
Yeah man, Girl Good man. Out of 3 album them we drop. Girl Good, them not a song like Girl Good. You understand? Yeah man. God and Time, Forever Rain. Them not a song like Girl Good after them album. May I tell you that right now, people. Trust me.
You say man a tear up Trinidad. I want him to know boy. Eh? Alkaline, Vendetta Bass, or the blood clot don't know. Not about who this and who that. When you go do that, me and some boy talk about arena. Look how long Alkaline are going to arena. Alkaline are do way do long time. Some boy just do that. I want him to know. Some boy just do that. Just go in and steal and go draw the crowd. Alkaline do that long time. You saw the man nasty of Trinidad. You saw the man deal with Trinidad. And with the bomber cloud don't know boy. Vendetta Bass. Vendetta Bass. What the fuck don't know? Eh? Hold them Alkaline. Bomber cloud don't know. You saw the man in Trinidad. You saw the man entrance. A masterpiece.
Yeah man, mega star level man, you see it?
This of all time, Alkaline, you hear? The Vendetta Bass. Governor beat talk without a doubt. Yeah man, the crux they want Masicka for debut #1, but it not work out. They want him to debut number one to size up with the young lad, but it not work out. None of them now debut number one. Only the young lad, Alkaline himself, boy. Alkaline take 3 days and debut number 10. Masicka take nearly 10 days and debut number 4. So what the greatest? No Alkaline, man.
Yeah, man, for real, man. For your man take 3 days streaming, for hit number. I first dancehall artist ever do that. 3 days. And still hit the Billboard top 10. That is a great thing. So imagine if him takes 3 days out of the 7 and go number 10. Imagine if him get the full 7. A problem.
Alkaline take 3 days and then take 10 days and still can go number 2, now number 3, now number 1. Then take 10 days. Then take 10 to 9 days and still can go number 2, number 3, number 4. Then have to stop at number 4. You see me I say? You know, can't tough like Alkaline, man. Alkaline debut number 1, 18 weeks straight from the Billboard reggae chart. I want to know. And MPT are the baddest albums here. No album test it. The rest of man them, we drop album, and 1 bag of collab, 1 bag of bumbo clad, lean pan shoulder. You see me I say? Alkaline alone. Remember people, get this in on the head.
And it's so funny, you know. I know Masicka can drop an album. Man, only an EP me see man drop with himself. And it not hit the Billboard. So imagine if him drop an album by himself, wow damn.
Alkaline alone depend no pussy test. The rest of the album will drop, me no want nobody tell me nothing. I pay a bumbo clad collab. They don't do nothing pan their own. Alkaline do pan their own. The rest of man they will drop album, they don't do it pan their own. And 1 bag of collab they have. And still can't go bumbo clad number 1. Still can't go number 1. Not number even 2. Alkaline, you know can't Alkaline have a number 1. New level unlock, set history. All I want drop album I try to size up the new level unlock. Cannot. So let me tell you now. They go tell you now again that the young lad. You see me I say? Remember now, all I man will drop album. And 1 bag of collab. 1 bag of international artists they have and still can't go bumbo clad number 2, number 3. You see me I say number 1. I won't know nobody can tell me nothing. Alkaline are the greatest in this bumbo clad. Yeah. You know see if the entrance of the man make a Trinidad. The man change the game. Which dancehall artist ever make an entrance like that? No time for that stage. None. So what the game to change? Bumbo clad don't know. Alkaline for life. Vendetta me say. Vendetta me say. Me are 60. Vendetta me say tell me dead. Bumbo clad don't know. Alka.
But them a say Alkaline fans them young. You hear Marv I go tell them now?
Alkaline dominate Trinidad Saturday night. Round foot in them neck. Yeah. 1 Alkaline, 1 key man. He came and he see and he conquers. And he definitely gave the crowd what they wanted. Yeah. Alkaline. Well, I don't know nobody else to dip on a show then because I say every video, every clip of me says about Alkaline and Alkaline performance and
I think TJ did dip on the show, but I always tell them, brother, I don't know. Any show you dip on, Alkaline dip on it, Alkaline I got take away all of the attention from you, I tell you. I see him with when Bounty Killer Barclay Center. Alkaline, Jaja youth.
Alkaline this and Alkaline that. Only for come up against God people and God beat me. Only gonna survive. I can't survive. Don't put on the neck. They're gonna beg for here. Yeah, Alkaline did what he did and he did what he did and he said what he said and he said what fucking said. Lone footed on the neck. Alkaline dominate the show. Dominate the show. Alkaline outshine the show, you know. Nobody not talk about no other artists with the dip on it. The clippings them were run on social media. About YouTube and TikTok and everything is about Alkaline. So, what happened to the other artists them that performed though? Let me find out where were they. You see? Silence win. Never ever listen to the loud noise. That is echoing in the background because it's only a sign of distractment. Yeah. And Alkaline never make the loud noise get to him. Yeah. Never make it distract him. Him just.
Yeah, man, when I pay the haters of mine, you see me? We just do the job and get the hell out of there.
He threw that and see ahead like, no, no, not distract me. When I not get my strength, I reply to no, that one, that one don't make no sense. When I not stop my shine, I know my time, and me a shine, and me a shine, and me a shine. Dominate 2026 and the rest of the year moving forward, yeah? You dominated, son. You did that. You did what them never expected to do. Yeah. When you do your thing, you do it for you. You never do it for nobody and no baga. And I look on them. Don't look on them. Silent them with success. Silent them with success. Silent them with your success, boy. Yeah. But tell us, you know, the noise. We do a video on this side. I say the noise in the background is only an echo of distractment. Yeah, because he was building an 18 team against Alkaline, but it didn't work. Every plan where the devil have and every assignment where the devil have plan, God always cancel it. The higher the monkey clan, the more him expose, and God always send the people them to come show them up. Yeah. Yeah, look at 18 team against the man. And the man showing the sign dominate this.
Yeah, man, every day in Alkaline name them call, man, to get a forward. I saw it going, if Alkaline never in a dance hall, who them would have to fight and eat for gain them attraction or whatsoever right now? Or get some hype. You understand? Yeah, man.
Bookings on top of bookings, demand on top of demand. Them want to say Alkaline. Them want to see a blood clot old train or lift it up. Yeah. Them want young, fresh and blood clot green people for do this. Yeah, I think I see it in the back with the rest like my old blood clot self. Bye.
I say, you know what? Masicka for take Skillibeng serious while Alkaline did a clown the fuck out of Skillibeng. Come on, man, let's be real. This is what happened. Look at this shit. This is an auto.
Yo, yeah, tell her, yo, wouldn't that easy though. Wouldn't that easy. But back to you, what she say. But tell her, yeah, but big up Nicole, man.
Skilly, you still like me to talk to you? See they know, you have a man, them a match you now in a general. You know, like, who I make a video for this? I just the time in again. But see, I know me there now. Nobody can tell me none. Alkaline never sit down and write that. Me know that for sure. Listen them to ya.
Yo, that song there, sell off it, no normal. Mad thing.
I don't know nobody but you that me general.
Well, people, that is it, you know. Big up on yourself, respect for the support. Continue to support Media Fox. People, we have a documentary forward with Popcorn Police. You understand? Yeah, man, so look out for that. Now go see it. Shake up a place. You see it, but people, big up on yourself for one Media Fox money up. That is it.